welcome to Tella Friend. And today, we're at another beach with our new swimsuits. And I'm here with Mia and Elliot, my friends. We're gonna dig up clams. And our daddy bought us new shells to pick up clams.
Don't scare him, bud.
I
got one. Put it in the bucket.
I found one. Science kit. I'm gonna make science out of the. I think I'm gonna just do speed. And there is crabs in there. There are crabs inside. I'm called Super Goop Man. I have goop power. And right now we're still at the beach, and this time Mia's with me. The water was freezing cold. We saw lots of clams, and we also found lots of crabs. Sometimes
It was warm at first, but then it started getting colder and colder somehow.
Oh, and look at my hands. Look at mine. I made it go down
Okay, let's go.
Hey, I heard you.
We did
Makeup party. Makeover party. Yeah, even a boy dad called Elliot.
which is my
Just
brother.
kidding.
So can I do?
Better?
Eating random? No. Tella is with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Tella Friends. Bye.